Welcome to Review Hub.
Welcome back to our channel, Tech Enthusiasts. Today, we have something truly game-changing to share with you. Are you tired of constantly switching between your dual monitors, trying to juggle multiple devices? Well, say goodbye to the hassle, because we have the ultimate solution for you. The Dual Monitor KVM Switch.
Top 1.
TESmart HDMI KVM Switch 2 monitors, 2 computers, 4K at 60 Hz. The TESmart HDMI KVM Switch eliminates the hassle of dealing with multiple keyboards, mice, and displays cluttering your desk. With this device, you can effortlessly switch between different computers with just a push of a button or a hotkey combination. Say goodbye to cable chaos and hello to a clean and organized workspace. One of the standout features of the TESmart HDMI KVM Switch is its support for high-definition multimedia.
Top 2.
Terived 2-port DP USB 3.0 KVM Switch Dual Monitor 2 computers, 2 DisplayPort monitor switcher. The Terived 2-port DP USB 3.0 KVM switch is designed to simplify the process of controlling multiple computers or servers from a single set of peripherals. With support for DisplayPort, DP, and USB 3.0 connectivity, it offers seamless switching between devices, allowing users to work with different systems effortlessly. Equipped with advanced switching technology, the Terived KVM switch enables users to switch between connected devices instantly. This eliminates the need for physically swapping cables, saving time and reducing cable clutter. Additionally, with support for Ultra HD resolutions, it ensures crystal clear image quality, providing a seamless visual experience across multiple monitors.
Top 3.
DIGITNOW Dual Monitor KVM Switch HDMI 2-port. The DIGITNOW Dual Monitor KVM Switch is designed to simplify the management of dual monitors. Whether you're a content creator, data analyst, or software developer, this device allows you to control 2 computers with a single keyboard, mouse, and dual monitors. With a simple press of a button or a keyboard shortcut, you can seamlessly switch between computers, eliminating the need for additional peripherals or constant plugging and unplugging. By utilizing the DIGITNOW Dual Monitor KVM Switch, you can significantly enhance your productivity. Imagine working on one computer while keeping an eye on important updates or emails on the other. With dual monitors, you can have multiple applications open simultaneously, allowing for efficient multitasking and reducing the time wasted on switching between windows.
Top 4.
TESmart HDMI KVM Switch 2 monitors, 2 computers, 4K at 60 Hz. The TESmart HDMI KVM Switch allows you to control multiple devices, such as computers, laptops, gaming consoles, or servers, using a single set of peripherals, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. With its user-friendly interface, switching between different devices becomes as simple as pressing a button or using hotkeys. No more tangled cables or cluttered desk space. One of the key advantages of the TESmart HDMI KVM Switch is its ability to deliver high-quality video and audio signals. Supporting resolutions up to 4K Ultra HD, you can enjoy crystal clear visuals on your monitor or display. Whether you are a designer, content creator, or gamer, this feature ensures that you have a seamless and immersive experience with every device you connect.
Top 5.
Access KVM Switch Dual Monitor 2-port 4K at 60 Hz, 2K at 144 Hz. The Access KVM Switch Dual Monitor allows you to control 2 computers with just one set of keyboards, mice, and dual monitors. With a single switch, you can seamlessly transition between systems, eliminating the need for multiple keyboards and mice cluttering your desk. This efficient setup enhances workflow, reduces cable clutter, and creates a clean and organized workspace. Imagine the convenience of monitoring and controlling 2 computers simultaneously on dual monitors, without the hassle of switching cables or pressing buttons. The Access KVM Switch Dual Monitor enables you to maximize your productivity by providing instant access to all connected systems. This means you can work on one computer while simultaneously monitoring progress on another, enhancing multitasking capabilities and saving valuable time. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.